Happy spring, it's finally here, and it's such an exciting time of year because there's literally life sprouting around every corner. I'm Lisa Z, and this is
Kim MacQuesten from the Benefits Department.
Yay! So, Kim, I can't help but think about all of the bunnies and newborn chicks and the puppies that are going to be born.
How exciting.
Because spring is just that time. It's that time of birth and of new beginnings. And so Kim is from
the Benefits Department.
The Benefits Department here at the Hamilton Group. And we get the same questions all the time.
We do.
I mean, because health insurance is a very
complex.
Complex is the best word for
health
insurance.
Ever-changing and complex.
Ever-changing, that is true, and things change all the time, so it's important to talk to us, your agents, about the changes that happen with policies and things like that. But big question, springtime. We get this all throughout the year, but because it's a time of birth, we're gonna be talking about if you're having a baby, now what?
That's true.
And before any of my family members see this, no, I am not having a baby. But this is just an informative video for everyone who is planning on having a baby or is going to be having a baby pretty soon.
I guess the first thing that's really important to think about when you're having a baby is to remember to enroll that child. A lot of times people are all caught up in the newness and the things that they have to buy and make sure that they're doing right, that they forget to add the baby. Mm-hmm. And there's a new rule in New Jersey. It used to be you had to do it within 30 days and they changed it to 60 days.
Okay, that's better.
Yeah.
I can actually, I have a little tidbit situation that happened, I believe it was last year, where a baby was born and the insurance that the child was supposed to go on was the father's insurance. But after the mom had the baby, the father and everyone went on vacation, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, that's kind of a nice thing to do after having a baby. So they all went on vacation and they did not enroll the baby. They completely forgot to notify the health insurance because you think it's on an automatic thing. But we'll get into that a little bit. The baby does have care under the
mother, yep,
for
60 days.
60 days here in New Jersey. But however, you do have to, once you have the birth certificate, once you have the social security number, you're going to inform your employer because you want the employer to actually enroll your child as a dependent.
That's true.
So important. So important, because we see it very often. You forget about your qualifying events.
Yes.
And
right.
You miss your opportunities to enroll into your health policies, into your benefits and stuff.
That's true. And speaking of qualifying events, that's exactly the right thing. Once you have the baby, you have the option of changing from the plan you have to a different one to accommodate your new needs. And at that point, you can add or drop your husband or any other dependent children during a qualifying event.
Yes. And yeah, like you mentioned, you have that opportunity to decide, oh, maybe I want a better plan for my family now that we had a child. Let's upgrade to a better plan. At that moment, you do have the opportunity to do so, aside from just adding the baby. A question that's come up before is if the mother and father are on separate health policies, which plan should the baby go under? Do you have any insight to that?
I think it's really a personal decision because the baby can go under either. They would have to check with their employer and see which employer accepts having children on the plan, and then it would be also maybe which one happens to be financially more sound for them.
It's definitely important to compare your different options with the various plans and what the benefits are and what's going to be better for you as the mom and better for the baby. So with that as well, don't forget your baby is covered under the mom's policy.
For 30 days throughout the whole country, and in some states, including New Jersey, it's 60 days.
60 days. And again, can't stress enough, don't forget to add your baby.
Another thing you can do is check out all your insurance companies' websites. A lot of them offer incentives and free books and pamphlets and all kinds of
resources
that are available. as well as coupons. And one of the insurance companies actually gives out breast pumps for free. And the book, What to Expect in Your First Year, is available as well. So let's recap. What's the most important thing to think about when you're having a baby? First, don't forget to enroll your child within 60 days. And the second thing is, be sure to look at all your options within your benefit choices with your employer and pick the right one for you, because at that point you're allowed to change. And I think the third thing is to enjoy yourself, be healthy, and take advantage of all of the opportunities that are offered to you from the benefits websites and also on the internet.
Yes, because it's such a beautiful time. So thank you for watching. This was our behind the scenes of insurance in the benefits department. And we would love to hear some questions from you. If you have further questions about your health policies, life policies, car policies, commercial policies, home policies, anything. So please send us your questions. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms. And until next time, bye.
Bye.